Yo guys, here's a simple how-to guide for body grooming like a pro. You'll need to know about 3 key things: trimming, shaving, and moisturizing. Trimming. A trimmer can be used for a bunch of different areas on your body. Chest, underarms, groin, legs, pretty much anywhere. You'll need a trimmer, preferably with a few different guards. Once you picked your preferred length, I use the 3mm. Simply attach it to the trimmer and jump straight in. For the easiest trim, pull your skin tight and trim in a sweeping motion. For more sensitive areas like underarms and groin, I'd recommend moving in the same direction of hair growth to help avoid irritation. Next up, shaving. A razor can be used if you want a close shave. Using a good quality razor is key to helping avoid irritations such as a shaving rash and razor bumps. Just apply some shaving foam or gel and shave the desired areas. If you can use a razor with a skin guard, that's even better. Remember, your shave is only as good as the blade you're using. Some fresh, sharp blades with lubrication will allow for a much easier and smoother shave. And finally, moisturizing. After shaving, it's so important to look after your skin. I'd recommend using a moisturizer to help soothe your skin and reduce any discomfort from stinging and redness. These areas will lay the foundation for a seamless body grooming session. I trust Gillette for grooming all areas of my body. After all, Gillette is the best a man can get.